Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying accounts and the basics that commonly block payments. Sign into the correct Google account, then open payment methods and inspect each card. Expiration, CVV billing address, and 3D secure prompts. Once done, make sure device time and time zone match network time, and update Play Store and Google Play services. These fixes remove token and authentication mismatches. If a work or school account is present, switch to a personal account. It often lacks billing permissions, which blocks transactions. You now fix the billing flow and authorizations. This is where most failures hide. Remove the problematic payment method, then re-add it or add Google Pay. The fresh token forces a new auth handshake. Next, clear Play Store cache and storage in app settings, force stop, and relaunch to refresh cached errors. Make sure your Google Payments profile country matches your current billing country, and confirm the bank authorized the charge. Banks often block international or suspicious 3D secure attempts. You finish by testing and preparing fallbacks. Attempt a small purchase, such as a $1 trial or a low-cost app, to generate a real authorization. This confirms the path is clear. If the bank blocks the charge, call them to whitelist Google Play or enable online payments. As a fallback, redeem Play gift cards to bypass card issues. If problems persist after removing and re-adding your Google account, contact Google support. Collect timestamps and transaction ID to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.